Reports of investigation by the health department revealed that the largest vaccine manufacturer in South Asian nation had dispensed hundreds of vaccines of inferior quality. This report obviously dashed parents of infants who filed lawsuits against the manufacturer. Take a look at the question. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Option A, disembarked. Option B, infuriated. Option C, appeased. Or option D, disparaged. So the clue we have here is that the vaccine maker, right, had dispensed or had supplied hundreds of vaccines of inferior quality, right, and therefore this report dash the parents, right. So this blank clearly is a reaction to the action of the South Asian nation, right, that they dispensed hundreds of vaccines of inferior quality, right. So that would clearly indicate what the reaction of these parents could be, right. So let's make a note of it. The vaccine manufacturer supplied hundreds of vaccines of substandard quality or inferior quality. So obviously the reaction for these parents would take a negative reaction, right? It would be something of hatred, it would be something of anger, right, in the parents of these infants, right? So now we're looking for a word that means hatred. We're looking for a word that means showing reactions of anger, right? So it's a very negative word here. So now let's take a look at the options. Let's see which option would fit in the context. Let's go to option A, disembarked. Disembarked means to get down from a ship or to get down from a cruise or an aircraft, right? Now disembark is clearly out of context here. It has nothing to do with any way of getting down. So option A can therefore be eliminated. Moving on to option B, infuriated. Now infuriated clearly fits the context here because furiated means to be furious or to be filled with anger, right? Infuriated clearly means to be filled with anger. So option B can be kept on hold. Moving on to option C. Option C means appeased. Appeased means to calm someone. It's a very positive word. So to calm someone, to soothe someone, right? To assuage someone, right? To pacify someone. All these could clearly mean to appease, right? So C can therefore be eliminated. We are not looking for that kind of a word. And then moving on to option D, disparaged. Disparaged again means to speak in a very disrespectful manner to someone, right? Or to criticize or to insult someone. So again, D is not what we're looking for. So option D can be eliminated. The correct answer for this question should be option B, infuriated.